TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you to kick off the weekend. In this video, I have 6 different job leads. 5 of them don't require any kind of college degree, so only one of these actually requires a college degree. And out of the 6 jobs, 5 do have the salaries listed in the job description, and the lowest pay is $52,000 or $1,000 a week. So everything I'm going to share starts at $1,000 a week, and pay goes up from there. So this is going to be for those of you who want to work from home, but you really need something more that is actually going to pay the bills rather than those entry-level $15 to $16 an hour jobs. I've got you covered. Now, when I look for job leads to share real quickly, I do look for things that most people would be eligible for. Things like that require like customer service backgrounds or using computer systems, well-known systems like Microsoft Office. So I don't share a lot of specialty positions like engineering or things like that, but always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those, and if I know someone is looking for something specific, if I come across it, I will share. And if you're new here, welcome. I've seen a lot of new viewers and subscribers to my videos lately, so welcome. We share daily job leads here that are all remote work from home, so make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on if you don't want to miss out on any new job leads coming out. And of course, sharing is always caring, so share with all your friends and family. But starting off strong, first up we have the company Bonterra. Bonterra has 201 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a training and document specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. All of these positions are for the United States only. But basically, they are looking for somebody to help develop their trainings and their training documents for their employees. So you'll do instructional design of end-to-end training courses, including the development of their training agendas, lesson plans. You'll make PowerPoints and different trainer resources. You'll participate in market launch activities for those new training courses that you've developed. You'll also help facilitate some instructor-led training classes following certain agendas and lesson plans. So you might put on like a Zoom call training people. So you're just going to be doing all kinds of training material, facilitating not only individual but also group of training sessions. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years experience in some kind of design, customer facing like training courses, someone who can become a subject matter expert on their products from a user and administrator perspective. So you've got to learn quickly. Someone who's 3 years of industry experience in one or more of the domains that Bonterra does serve. You've got to have, of course, great attention to detail and great time management skills. No college degree is needed though, and pay starts at $56,300 a year, goes all the way up to $101,400 a year, depending on that experience that you bring to the table. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, all the things. But next up, we have LTK, otherwise known as Like to Know or Like to Know It. It's that social media platform that when you follow people like on YouTube and TikTok, if they're posting like products they're using or outfit details, they have it all linked into like their Like to Know It page. It's like almost like a Pinterest for shopping, where you can just go look at all these pictures, see all the products tagged, and purchase them from there. They have 166 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring an accounts receivable collection specialist. Now again, this is remote for the United States. One thing to quickly note, this is the only job that I'm sharing that I don't have the actual pay for. But they are looking for somebody to basically monitor their accounts receivable and help identify any overdue accounts on a daily basis. You'll help process payments and refunds, contacting customers about their overdue accounts and attempting to collect the overdue amount, or help negotiate and set up on a payment plan to collect that overdue amount in installments. So you're going to be doing things like running credit bureau data. You'll look at post office information. You'll do internet searches, trying to locate customers who have moved or changed phone numbers. You're just going to maintain a record of all contacts and attempts to contact that customer, helping settle their delinquent account. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They say if you have an associate's or bachelor's degree, that is a plus. It's a bonus point. It's not required. You do have to have a proven experience as some kind of collection specialist or work in some kind of similar role before. Somebody who knows billing and collection practices and procedures. Of course, you've got to know how to use Microsoft Office and databases, so specifically probably something like Excel. You've got to be a problem solver with great critical thinking skills. And of course, you've got to have some negotiation skills. You're trying to collect from these people. Now, they do state they offer a standard benefit package, but unfortunately, they did not list pay in their job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you're looking for some kind of like high-paying customer service role, this next one might be for you. The company Tropic, they have 110 reviews with a high employee satisfaction rating score of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist for their tier 1 or lowest tier. Now, they are looking again for someone based in the United States. But Tropic is a company that helps other companies save time and money by delivering visibility and control over every dollar, every contract, and every supplier in one place. So they're like a spend management software and data company for other businesses. So you're probably going to be doing, their customer base is going to be small businesses or other business owners. That's who you're going to be doing customer service with. You're going to act as that first point of contact for those people that are subscribing to this database software program, handling all the inbound support requests with professionalism and empathy. You're going to help triage these incoming support tickets, categorize them, and route them to the appropriate team of individuals that can resolve them. So maybe they need tech support and you can't handle that. You will create that ticket and send it off to the tech support team. You're going to handle any customer issues and escalations that you can, adhering to service level guidelines and agreements, just being a problem solver, solving all the customers' problems and helping them get the help they need. So basic customer service there. They don't require any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who has proven experience in some kind of customer support role, somebody who is great with their communication skills, both written and verbal, someone who's very strong problem-solving skills. You can be detail-oriented and process mindset-oriented. You got to be a self-starter, and they prefer somebody who has worked with some kind of ticketing system like Zendesk before. Now, pay for this customer service position, it says the minimum annual salary is $70,000, and so that is the lowest they will pay you, is $70,000 a year. That is unheard of for a customer service position. They also offer a standard benefit package. Moving right along, next up though, we have the company Life 360. If you have teenagers, you might be well aware of what Life 360 is. It is an app. They have a free version and then a premium version you can pay like a monthly fee for that tracks their whereabouts, letting you know where they are at all times, and it alerts you if anything like car wrecks or things like that happen. They have 93 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5 star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a customer care administrator for their quality team. Now, this one does say remote United States or remote for Canada. The pay for this one is anywhere from $80,000 a year all the way up to $105,000 a year, and they're looking for somebody to basically analyze their customer experience from start to finish, proposing improvements for that customer experience and enhancing their customer satisfaction and customer efforts and resolution. So you're going to look at the life cycle of how a customer interacts with the app and gets all of their support, and you're going to try to improve that to make it even better. So you're leading that quality assurance program, partnering with the quality team, implementing best practices and tools from across the industry, making sure that Life 360 contains and has high quality service being delivered in all of their customer interactions all of the time. You're going to help review and evaluate the current help center articles, chatbot interactions, and the AI first response emails, making sure that those emails met the quality standards. If not, you'll improve those as well, just implementing all kinds of improvement processes where you see fit. Now, they do want somebody who has a bachelor's degree in some kind of a data analytics or related field, but they do say they will will take equivalent experience over that degree. You've got to have at least 5 years experience in customer service, 2 years experience like with reviewing data or running reports, something like that. They do give you bonus points if you know some kind of AI or chat box, but other than that, just great communication skills. Next up, we have the company Articulate. They have 161 reviews with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an order management specialist. Now, their order management specialist is going to do just that. You're going to manage all the things for orders, making sure subscription sales, expansions, and renewal orders are transacted quickly by the customer and the revenue team, just making sure all those transactions go through and are settled. If anybody wants to change their subscription plan, you'll process those subscription changes, including seat adds, subscription mergers, upgrades, refunds, cancellations, just managing all things orders, the order status inquiries, if people want to know about their service delivery, subscription management, or if they have some problem that they need resolved. You'll collaborate with the revenue team and the inbound customer service team, just making sure that registration, purchase order setup, everything runs smoothly for the customer. So you're basically the go-to for any questions regarding anything related to people's orders. Again, no college degree is needed, just 2 to 3 years of experience in order management, supporting customer service, someone who's business savvy, someone who can be a problem solver, a multitasker, have detail-oriented and clear communication skills. Now, this is the lowest paying job that I am sharing in this video. Pay starts at $52,600 a year, which would be $1,000 a week, goes up to $79,000 a year based on experience and location. And last but certainly not least, we have the company Tinuiti. They have 404 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote retail operations specialist. Now, this company is independent performance marketing firm. They work with streaming TV services like Google, Meta, Amazon. They do $4 billion in digital media revenue a year and have over 1,200 employees, and they're looking for somebody to support all of their client communications projects and deliverables. So you're going to assist in the maintenance of their client's brand and products on Amazon. You'll help facilitate cross-channel communication between all of the parties involved. So you'll communicate like agendas, action items, follow-ups from meetings, things like that need to be done. You'll perform audits on the client's catalog data, making sure that they have enhanced SEO, great customer experience, just making sure everything is in order. If you have any operational challenges, you'll have to come up with solutions to those, just assisting in all client presentation creation, like their monthly campaign recaps. So you'll probably be doing some slideshows and things like that. They are only looking for somebody who has proficiency in Microsoft Excel and, of course, a PowerPoint, since you're going to be putting all this data together and doing these presentations for these companies. So you've got to be very organized, very detail-oriented, and be able to meet those deadlines. And you've got to be flexible in working within a environment that has many moving parts, but no college degree is needed. They do offer a standard benefit package, and pay is anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I know I can get long-winded talking. I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free again to leave anything in the comments you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.